The rise of social media has revolutionized how individuals generate income. Unlike traditional career paths that often required formal education or years of experience, social media platforms have democratized the earning potential. By leveraging their online presence, individuals can now build substantial careers and income streams. Traditionally, income was primarily derived from employment, where individuals exchanged their labor for wages or salaries. Entrepreneurship, while always an option, involved significant capital and risk. However, social media has disrupted this model. It has created a platform where talent, creativity, and engagement can be directly monetized. YouTube stands as a prime example of this shift. It has transformed from a video-sharing website to a lucrative platform for content creators. YouTubers can earn money through various avenues. Ad revenue, generated through ads displayed on videos, is a foundational income stream. Additionally, brand collaborations, merchandise sales, channel memberships, and affiliate marketing provide diverse opportunities for creators to capitalize on their audience. In the pantheon of YouTube's most successful stars, Jimmy Donaldson, known universally as MrBeast, stands unmatched. His meteoric rise to the top is a masterclass in innovation, relentless work ethic, and an uncanny knack for reinvesting his earnings to fuel further growth. Born on May 7, 1998 in Greenville, North Carolina, Jimmy Donaldson entered the YouTube arena at the tender age of 13 under the moniker MrBeast 6000. His initial forays included Let's Plays, YouTube tips, and estimates of other YouTubers' earnings. Despite a modest beginning, Donaldson's unyielding focus on deciphering the YouTube algorithm and crafting engaging content eventually paid off. MrBeast's YouTube channel, boasting over 300 million subscribers, is a colossal revenue generator, pulling in between $600 million and $700 million annually. Each of his videos rakes in millions in ad revenue and brand deals, with brands willing to pay up to $3 million for a single shout-out. Yet, despite these staggering figures, Donaldson is known for his extreme reinvestment strategy. Rather than accumulating personal wealth, he channels nearly all his earnings back into his content. In interviews, he has revealed that he does not have direct access to his bank accounts, which are managed by his CFO and his mother, to ensure continued investment in his brand and audience growth. MrBeast's content strategy is a blend of grandiose stunts, philanthropic gestures, and captivating challenges. His videos are renowned for their high production values and meticulous planning. Whether it's buying an entire grocery store or offering a contestant $10,000 for every day they can live in it, Donaldson's concepts are designed to astonish and engage. A typical MrBeast video captures thousands of hours of footage, edited down to a sharp, engaging 15-minute clip. He recognized that YouTube's algorithm prioritizes engagement and watch time. He encourages viewers to interact with his videos by asking questions, running contests, and creating engaging challenges. Longer watch times signaled to the algorithm that his content was valuable. Crafting compelling video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords was crucial. He also pays attention to eye-catching thumbnails that enticed viewers to click. These elements helped improve discoverability. He closely monitors where viewers dropped off in his videos. By analyzing retention data, he adjusts his content to maintain audience interest throughout the video. High retention rates positively impacted his rankings. This dedication to quality and viewer engagement has garnered him a massive, loyal following, cementing his place at the apex of YouTube stardom. MrBeast's investments are predominantly aimed at bolstering his content and brand. By continuously reinvesting his earnings, he maintains high production values and innovative content that captivates his audience. His ventures include a food brand contributing significantly to his revenue. Many videos feature substantial charitable donations, enhancing his brand's positive image and resonating deeply with viewers. A large portion of his income goes into producing his videos, covering costs from location rentals to purchasing props and equipment. MrBeast launched Beast Burger, a virtual restaurant chain in 2020. Partnering with existing restaurants, he offers Beast Burger items exclusively through delivery apps, leveraging his online presence. Recognizing the gaming industry's growth, he created a gaming channel. Collaborating with other YouTubers, streaming gameplay, and hosting gaming challenges, he diversifies his content and audience reach. Donaldson's ingenuity in content creation is evident in his popular video concepts. Videos where he bestows large sums of money on strangers, friends, or subscribers. Competitions where participants endure certain conditions, with the last person standing winning a significant prize. Real-life recreations of popular shows and games, such as Squid Game or Minecraft. Behind the spectacle and the millions lies a deeper understanding of human psychology. MrBeast's content taps into primal human desires. The thrill of competition, the allure of wealth, and the satisfaction of witnessing generosity. By combining these elements with masterful storytelling and production values, he creates an addictive viewing experience. Moreover, MrBeast's philanthropic endeavors align with Maslow's hierarchy of needs. By addressing higher-level needs like esteem and self-actualization, he taps into a profound human desire to make a difference. This approach not only enhances his brand image, but also creates a loyal and engaged fan base. MrBeast's success offers valuable lessons for other creators, continuously reinvesting earnings to improve content quality and production value. Focusing on creating engaging, high-quality content that resonates with viewers. Willingness to take risks and experiment with new content ideas. Maintaining a disciplined approach to financial management for long-term sustainability. Incorporating charitable acts into content to build a positive brand image and deepen audience connections.